Asyhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa asyhadu anna Muhammad Rasul Allah. Ako'y sumasaksi na walang Diyos na dapat sambahin maliban kay Allah. Ako'y sumasaksi kay Muhammad, huling sugo, propeta ni Allah. Allahu Akbar.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
وبهجرك للدين ستحيا تعشق ما قلبك يهوى أو أن الأيام ستحلو وترى الدنيا شط نجا دينك بحر من
We don't know where is the last breath. There's a lot of things that Allah give to me. That's why for me it's really not enough. I'm not ready. I want to give more. When you are thinking that in front of Allah, if I did, it's enough what I did. I think it's not enough for me because from 30 years to compare to 10 years that I've been be a Muslim, it's not enough. If you know what is my past, it's not enough. It's not enough.